Hi and welcome back to the Morning Report Chart Appraisals on Wednesday the 26th of November with me, Richard Perry, Market Analyst at Tech Markets. Let's have a look at Eurodollar now, and this is Eurodollar on an hourly chart, and basically you can see the fact that we are just trading in this range, and we have been throughout November actually trading in this band between 23.57 and $1.26 pretty much, and it's sort of mid-range, so it makes it a little bit difficult to call, but I still believe that if you look on the daily chart, you've got these downtrend intact, you've got the falling moving averages, the momentum indicators remain in bearish configuration. That just all tells me that the break will be to the downside, so I'd say playing within this range. Back on the hourly chart again, you'd be using any sort of rebound within the range in towards resistance as a chance to sell. I think the next real level you're looking at is around about that $1.25 level, and then between there and sort of $1.25.40 I think is a fairly decent band of resistance that you could start to think about, because then you're sort of getting up again towards the highs of the range, and I think that it will be sold off. And I mean, looking at the momentum indicators, the big sell-off went oversold on the RSI, on the hourly RSI, but this rebound has sort of drifted and just failed to get above 70, and when sort of the hourly momentum starts to fail around that 70 mark, it sort of gives you the impression that certainly when it's been at an extreme level on the downside and it fails to get to an extreme level on the upside, that would suggest that the bears are ready to step back in, and it looks like that's the case once more. So I think any sort of move back towards that $1.25 area today should be seen as a chance to sell. Stochastics are already falling away, so maybe that would suggest that the upside momentum in this run higher is already running out of steam anyway. But I'm happy to sell within this range if you get a excuse me, if you get a move higher. Anyway, in terms of stops, I mean, you've got to go above the range highs, which if you want to go safe, you'd go above 26 figure, but 25.77 was a consistent resistance as well. So sort of a couple of levels there for you to play with, but it certainly looks like ultimately I think we're going to get a retest of the range lows. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading on Euro today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.